Repeat business is something that manufacturers rely on. In fact, it's where most of their money comes from. But now more than ever, we need to be looking for new opportunity. Yet how do we wade through the details to find those opportunities that have a chance of closing? Well, there's reporting insights and artificial intelligence, risk assessments and the steps to remove risk. I often think, though, that a lot of risk is not identified and the details are just not there in your opportunities. Use something like Salesforce that can help you get through that, to help you do your job better. This doesn't have to be hard. A lot of companies make it too hard, and salespeople just don't use the software because there's too much information to input, or there's too much complexity, and it just doesn't make sense. Keep it simple. You could, for example, in Salesforce, because it's a platform, create a simple close plan like this, which is just step by step through a timeline, key actions that need to be completed in order to close a deal. Everybody can see it, everybody can work together on it. Whatever you do in your digital transformation journey, keep it simple, and good luck in yours.